First of all, open the Parijay portal and enter your credentials to log in. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected to the main eOffice dashboard. Now, I am going to explain if a user does not have the file closing role, they will not be able to directly close the file. Instead, the file will need to be forwarded to who has the appropriate file closing role. Once logged in, click on eFile from the main menu. Now, click on the File button in the side menu bar and then click on the Inbox button below. Now, some files will be shown in front of you. Select the file you want to close from these. Now, click on the Close button in the upper nav bar and you will see two buttons in the drop-down. The first option is the Close button. If you do not have the file closing role, you will not be able to close the file directly. In this case, the Close button will be disabled and non-clickable. The second option is the Send for Approval button. Clicking this button will forward the file for approval to the senior person in the department who holds the file closing approval role. Now, a pop-up will open in front of you where you need to enter remarks about why you want to close the file. After that, click on the OK button. Now this file has gone to the HOD, head of the department. Now the HOD eOffice dashboard is in front of you. Now, click on the File Repository section in the side menu bar and then click on the Approval Request folder below. The interface now displays the details of files awaiting approval, including file nature, computer number, file number, subject, requested by, requested on, sender remarks, status, request type, remark, and action. Now, under the Action column, click on the Approve button. Now an approval pop-up window will appear. Enter your remarks in the provided field and click the OK button. Now, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the request has been successfully sent for approval. After the file is approved, you can view it in the Closed Files folder under the File Repository section. Now let's return to the screen of the user. Here, the user can check the status of the file to confirm that it has been successfully approved and closed. After the file is approved, you can view it in the Closed Files folder under the File Repository section. Here, you can see the details of the closed file, including its status and associated information. Now, to reopen the file, two buttons will appear under the Action section. One is Reopening Approval and the other is Detail. We need to click on Reopening Approval. By clicking on Reopening Approval, we'll open a pop-up window for File Reopening Approval. Enter the required remarks in the provided field and then click on the OK button. Once submitted, a confirmation message will appear, successfully sent for reopening approval. Now navigate to the File Repository section and select the Approve Request folder. Within this folder, click on the Closing and Reopening option. Here, a list of files awaiting reopening approval will be displayed, showing details such as computer number, file number, subject, requested by, requested on, sender remarks, status, reopen type, remarks, and action. Now, under the Action section, you will see two buttons. One is Approve and the other is Reject. We need to click on Approve. Now enter the required remarks in the provided field and then click on the OK button. Once submitted, a confirmation message will appear, successfully approved. Now, let's return to the screen of the user who sent the file reopening request for approval. Now navigate to the File section and under the Inbox folder, click on Inbox. Here, you will see that the file sent for reopening approval has now been reopened successfully. On the eOffice dashboard, click on eFile. By default, the file inbox will open. Next, click on the hamburger menu located at the top left corner. Navigate to the File section and click on Inbox under the Inbox folder. Here, you'll see the list of received files. Select the file you want to close and click on the Close button. A file closing pop-up window will appear. Enter the required remarks and click on the OK button. Once submitted, a confirmation message will appear, successfully closed. To view the closed file, go to the File Repository section and click on the Closed Files field. Here, you'll find the list of closed files along with details such as file nature, computer number, file number, subject, closed by, closed on, remarks, and action. To reopen a file, go to the Action column and click on the Reopen button for the desired file. A reopening remarks pop-up window will appear. Enter the required remarks and click on the OK button. Once submitted, a confirmation message will appear, successfully reopened. The reopened file will now appear under the File inbox in the Inbox folder. This will display the list of files in your inbox. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and tutorials.